select the front plane, normal to, start sketching square 150 into 150. Now extrude boss, length of 350 mm. Now you select a plane and draw circle of radius 40. Extrude the circle to a length of 200 mm. Extrude cut. Now to draw the crankcase, you require a center plane. You select a suitable plane, center plane. Now it is parallel to right plane. You drag that particular plane using control button. Create a new plane, plane 1, the middle at a distance of 75 from side. Now you click normal to plane 1, start sketching the circle. Now we are drawing in plane 1. Of radius 90 at a distance of 100 from one edge. Now use extruded cut both direction. Extrude cut to both direction. Each direction 20 mm. Direction 1 20 mm. Direction 2 20 mm. Okay. Now to draw the bearing hole, select the plane, draw circle again of radius 10 mm. You have to select the center of that crankcase. Circle of radius 10 mm. Again extruded cut one direction 20 mm. Another direction 2 60 mm. Now you can hide the plane 1 which is not required. Just you can hide that. This is the simple engine block.